4 critical reasons why HVAC systems need regular preventive maintenance service. What do you think of when you hear HVAC maintenance? HVAC maintenance is often known as a PM service, or HVAC tune-up. HVAC maintenance is about protecting your investment, maintaining your manufacturer's warranty, dependability when you need it, and energy efficiency. In this video we will discuss the 4 reasons why HVAC systems need regular preventive maintenance. 1 is to provide cool, clean air in summer, and heat in the winter. The air filter is a simple, but important part of regular HVAC maintenance. Think of it this way: all the airflow in your office or home runs through air ducts and air filters. Floating dust and dirt particles eventually clog your air filter. This leads to restricting the airflow in a dirty HVAC system. This, in turn, causes the compressor and condenser coils to wear out much faster because they are working harder. Replacing a compressor or condenser can be a very expensive HVAC repair cost that you will want to avoid. 2. Prevent water leaks. When customers call for HVAC repair services, they often say my AC is leaking and my air conditioner has stopped cooling. Most HVAC systems have a condensation pump installed. Built-up condensation turns into water droplets that begin to collect in a disposal pan. When the disposal pan is full of water, a safety float switch will turn off the AC unit. If there is no safety switch, then the disposal pan will overflow, causing a water leak. 3. Save money on your monthly energy bill. A well-run, energy-efficient HVAC unit can save you money on your monthly energy bills in summer and winter. Regular HVAC maintenance will keep your HVAC running efficiently while minimizing costly HVAC repairs. 4. Maintain your manufacturer's warranty. Did you know that on newly installed HVAC units the manufacturer requires annual preventive maintenance to be performed on your new HVAC system? If you fail to do regular HVAC maintenance, you can make void the manufacturer's warranty. This can be very costly if major components of your HVAC unit stop working. What does HVAC maintenance consist of? HVAC maintenance is often called a PM or preventive maintenance service, or HVAC tune-up. HVAC maintenance includes testing your thermostat, tightening electrical connections, lubricating all moving parts, doing operational control checks, coil cleaning, check and straighten the blower fins, clear the condensation drain of debris, changing the air filter, measuring refrigerant levels, and adjusting the blower motor and belts. In addition to your AC unit being inspected, your furnace should be inspected as well. The HVAC technician will check all furnace fuel connections, test the burner combustion, test the gas pressure, and inspect the heat exchanger. If these components are not inspected and cleaned, your furnace may pose a fire hazard and lead to health problems. All HVAC manufacturers recommend yearly preventive maintenance services. Did you schedule your HVAC preventive maintenance service? With over 633 5-star customer reviews, ABC Austin Service Express is here to serve you. Call ABC Austin Service Express at 512-448-0532 and ask about our VIP HVAC PM service. Visit us online at www.abcaustinacandheating.com.